fire alarm. This will be at 2700 Robinson Boulevard, Penn Hills, 225, 221, East Fire Ops 3, 1758.
Johnny, 221 engine 2 on spot.
Copy, 221 engine 2, 1759.
For an initial fire alarm activation, now a building filled with smoke. This detail is being changed to a commercial structure fire. 222, 227 added to the assignment. East Fire Ops 3, 1800 hours.
Johnny, 225, acknowledging.
Go ahead.
225, acknowledging.
Copy that, 225, 1800.
225 trucks en route.
225 truck, 1802.
Johnny, 227 trucks en route.
Copy, 227 truck, 1802.
222 acknowledges.
Copy, 222, 1803.
Johnny, 225 assistance on scene. Come in.
Copy, 225 assistant, 1803.
Johnny, 221 engines on the scene. 3-story fire department, smoke shown.
Copy, that's smoke showing, 1804.
225 trucks out.
Truck.
25 assistant.
25 assistant, go ahead.
Working fire. Ground floor, they're telling me. Go ahead and start 285. Give me 137 as well for Rick.
Copy that. Working fire, 1804.
For a confirmed apartment building fire, 2700 Robinson Boulevard in Penn Hills, 285, 137 writ added to the assignment. East Fire Ops 3, 1805.
Johnny, 285 acknowledges.
85, 1805.
Johnny, 222 engines en route.
Copy, 222 engine.
225 assistant, 227 chief. Tiger from 225 assistant, you guys, charge the plug. 225 assistant, 227 trucks passing Swanson. Coming straight up Robinson Boulevard behind 221 engine. The closest you're going to get. I'm going to need your mask, Ben. Alright, 10-4, we'll be here in a minute. Johnny, 225 engine 1 is going to be in on scene.
Copy, 225 engine 1.
227 trucks on scene, County.
Copy, 227 truck, 1808.
Robinson Boulevard, Command, County.
Go ahead, County.
You started 137 for red and 285, correct?
That's correct. 285 acknowledged. Nothing from 137 yet.
10-4. Start 516, my way, please.
Copy that, sir.
Boulevard in Penn Hills, 200 rehab added to the assignment. East Fire Ops 3, 1809.
Command, good. Alright, I believe we got a bulk of the fire knocked down. Get some guys in here where they are. Taking some tolls, starting to mess up. Command from interior.
Copy, 137 rescue.
Command from interior. Command, good. If you can, hold the pressure up where it aligns just a little bit. If you copy my request for some guys with tools in their tank. Okay, I got manpower here. Send one of your guys out, please. Robinson, hydrant to command. Go ahead, charge it. Connie, 222 engines on scene.
222 engine.
Connie, 285 engine 2 on the way.
Copy, 285 engine 2, 1811.
See coming in, your water's coming. Robinson Boulevard, command, Connie.
Go ahead, command.
You have medics en route here?
Medics are en route as we speak.
I have one patient right in the Elvis side that's going to need attending ASAP.
Copy.
Doing some overhaul. Last unit call, command.
I'm on.
We're just doing some overhaul. You say you're doing overhaul? Yeah, it's firm. I got guys pulling the ceiling now. 227 Chief, 225 assistant. Go ahead. Most of these damn gauges work on this thing. I can't tell what we got coming in or going out. Have their pump operator next to somebody outside so they can take over their own apparatus. Yeah, 10-4, I'm working on Interior command.
For a working apartment building fire, 2700 Robinson Boulevard in Penn Hills, 516 FM1 requested to the scene at 1813.
22017, 225. Go ahead. Alright, I got this thing that's popping up, and if we need another line, we can deploy it if need be. Alright, they're saying the bulk's off right now, so we're going to go with that. I just take you crews to the second and third floor here. Command 225, Captain.
For a working apartment building fire, 2700 Robinson Boulevard in Penn Hills, 200 Rehab, second activation, East Fire Ops 3, 1815.
Fire's off, what's going on now? 10-4. Command from 285, we're going to be approaching, requesting instructions. County, show 200 Rehab and route.
Copy, 200 Rehab.
37 rescue on scene, establishing route sign off.
Copy, 137 rescue.
227 Chief. And from 285, engine 1 approaching, requesting instructions. Send me your aft bed right now to the front side. Yeah, 220. County 227 Chief.
7 Chief.
Two personnel from 227 truck entering side A Alpha, going to the third floor for a secondary search.
Copy.
County Robinson Blvd command.
Command.
Alright, they got a good knock on the fire right now. They're overhauling, looking for hot spots and extension. We still got a heavy smoke condition, and we still have crews operating inside doing secondary searches.
Copy that, 1817.
County 285, engine 1's out on scene.
285, 1817. Be that 137 service.
County 285, engine 2 is going to be out. 285 engine from command. 285 engine 2, good. I got a face-to-face with your guy. Can you repeat that? County 137 service is out.
Copy, 137 service.
225 captain from command. Good. I have a crew from 285 taking the boards off the windows of the fire apartment from the outside here. And also, are you ready for fans? Yeah, we can start. 10-4. Yeah, we got the ceiling pulled in here. It's pretty clean behind that sheet rock. That's copy. We safe to put this under control? Most definitely. County Robinson Blvd command.
County command.
You can under control.
Copy, under control, 1820.
Command, go ahead.
200 Rehab, County.
200 Rehab, go ahead.
For EMS on scene, you guys can take a disregard.
I copy 200 disregarded. Command from Division 2, requesting order. Command from Division 2, requesting order. Last unit call command, you got entirely too much feedback. Command from 222 engine, you want to proceed into Division 3 or do you have enough